Artisan Vaquero here, Pearl, Mississippi, Jackson metropolitan area. Smith & Wesson boot knife, and key material. Red boot cut, stainless steel color. Artisan Vaquero here, knives from China here. Got your Gerber. Gerber's a pretty good brand. Got cool looking knives like this one, I don't know. Stuff like that. It's a folding blade. Knives like this. Got stuff like this. This is a E-tool. They make pretty good things. They make stuff like this. Mini cleavers. Why is this out? This is simple. This is just like the other one. Why is it not anything like this? Why is Leatherman not in this? Design of the year, so we got your bullseye Smith & Wesson throwing buoy. Features 2 in a pack. Check it out. So we got your throwing axis. This is going to be a 3-pack Smith & Wesson bullseye. $44. Yeah, I got a better deal where I got these from over at the cannon. Something. This is the drop. And you see, you also have tiny branches like this. Truss, Crenshaw truss. Nice thick blade, fixed blade here. A thicker blade. Artisan Vaquero here, Bass Pro Fishing Shop. Like, share, subscribe. Subscribe, share, like. Check this out. We got your SOD, our SOG. These are cool throwing blades right here. I like the way they have these on the end of that. Throwing hawks, something I consider maybe to come back. 1-2 buck woodsman, buck knives, made in the USA. Vintage, $346 every day. Check that out. I like that. 12 slim folding knife. But I'm looking. You got your band like this function. The new right here too. Artisan Vaquero. I got one. Your Leatherman Skeletal 7 tools. And you got your wave. And so you got your curl. Leatherman with the 25 this wave. 18 tools with bit driver, which I definitely need. Bund 14 tools. Somebody stole this one. Artisan Vaquero here. You got the Raptor Respond and the Raptor Rescue. Inside the Leatherman package, you got 20.
Means what it says, Rick.
Artisan Vaquero here, Bass Pro Fishing Shop, Jackson, Mississippi, Jackson metropolitan area, Pearl, Mississippi, on location. Artisan Vaquero here, Bass Pro Shops. So this is always good to have inside the house. You know, if you don't have anything else, put this inside the closet or outside the closet. This is Artisan Vaquero here, Bass Pro Fishing Shop. Got your folding knife, trail camera, Artisan Vaquero here, Bass Pro Fishing Shop. Artisan Vaquero here. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm inside the cohort section, Bass Pro Fishing Shop. Artisan Vaquero here, Bass Pro Fishing Shop, Pearl, Mississippi, Jackson metropolitan area. We're here on the second level. Got your archery, we got your hunting, and of course, you got your BB guns and your pellet guns and starter guns and stuff like that. Artisan Vaquero here, we're at Bass Pro Fishing Shops. Artisan Vaquero here, Bass Pro Fishing Shop. Artisan Vaquero here, Bass Pro Fishing Shop. Check out the knives. Here, one of this right here is for sale. And that deer shell. That's a pretty cool one. Artisan Vaquero here, Bass Pro Fishing Shop, Pearl, Mississippi, Jackson metropolitan area.